Hi everyone, welcome to this new series where we'll be solving the Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Past Paper 0478/22 from the May-June 2025 exam session. Let's get started. Question number 17, Part B. Find the value of 4 raised to the power of -5/2. Now, 4 can be written as square of 2, so we can write 4 raised to the power of -5/2 as 2 square raised to the power of -5/2. Powers will multiply. As 2 divided by 2 is 1, we get 2 raised to the power of -5. To remove the minus in the power, we take the reciprocal, so we get 1 divided by 2 raised to the power of 5. 2 raised to the power of 5 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, which is 32. So the final answer is 1/32. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share with others. Have a nice day.